Hi friends, today let's understand about energy days in nature. Energy days. See, to practice meditation, we need to explore energy times in nature, like full moon, new moon. These are the powerful days in nature to explore energies in nature, to go into meditation. And India has thoroughly researched into this energy times. These are called muhurtams. They thoroughly scrutinized what different times has what kind of energy. They researched into it, and in general we have to take advantage of the nature. The full moon and the new moon has very powerful vibrations, so we can use those days to go into meditation deeply. So let us do research more into energy days of the nature. Which day has which kind of energy? Astrologically, the events which is happening in the nature, let's understand the powerful days and use those powerful days, those energies, to go into meditation. So this is all science of understanding energy days, energy time, energy month. So there is all reason and logic behind all this. Thank you.